Today we are talking about measurement using standard units, which would be a ruler. Now, our ruler, if you look closer, has two sides. The first side, where the numbers are spaced apart, those are inches. That's what we're going to be talking about today. If you look at the other side of your ruler, you're going to see they're much closer together. Those are called centimeters. So we're going to carefully make sure we are using our inches side of our ruler. Now, when we measure with a ruler, just like we did with our non-standard, we always start with an endpoint, and the endpoint is going to be considered the 0 of your ruler. So let's try taking a pencil, and I'm going to measure the length of my pencil. Now, do you think I'm going to put it right here to measure? Am I going to put it over here with some of it down and some of it up? No, if I want to have the true measurement, I'm going to line up right at the 0 as carefully as I can and make sure that it's right across the top of my ruler on the inches side, and I can see that it is 7 inches. 7. Now let's try another one. The next one, I found some Post-it notes, a whole pack here, but I'm going to measure the side, the length. So I'm going to line it up at the end point. And then as it goes across, I see that it is 3 inches. So Post-it notes are 3 inches. One more to try. I have a key, and I thought I would measure a key. So what do you think? Is it going to be more or less than the pencil? More or less or the same as the Post-it notes? Think about that. All right, I'm going to line up the end of my key right at the end point. So I know that this piece of paper I'm using underneath is the same as the edge, my end point. And I'm going to follow it, and how many inches? 2 inches. So it's less than my Post-it notes. That makes it shorter than, which we use the same terms, and it is also shorter than my pencil. So my pencil is the longest. So we could say long, longer, longest. We could say short, shorter, shortest. We use those same terms when we're measuring, no matter what kind of unit we are using. So today we are using inches. So you're going to get your ruler out today and do a little bit of measuring. Make sure you use the inches side. See you soon.